Hello students, hi everyone. You have already studied about proofs of irrationality is done by contradiction. So now I am going to explain some example which are based on concept of proofs of irrationality. So let's start. Example 1. Prove that under root 5 minus under root 3 is an irrational. Let under root 5 minus under root 3 is equal to x be a rational number. Squaring on both sides, under root 5 minus under root 3 to the whole square is equal to x square. Now we will proceed it as a minus b to the whole square. Under root 5 square plus under root 3 square minus 2 under root 5 into under root 3 is equal to x square. So 5 plus 3 minus under 2 root 15 is equal to x square minus 2 root 15 is equal to x square minus 8. 2 root 15 is equal to 8 minus x square and under root 15 is equal to 8 minus x square by 2. Since 2x and 8 are integers, so that 8 minus x square by 2 is rational number, implies that under root 15 is also rational, but this contradicts under root 15 is an irrational. Thus our assumption is wrong. Therefore under root 5 minus under root 3 is an irrational number. Our next example is prove that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Let 5 minus root 3 be rational. Then 5 minus root 3 is equal to a upon b, where a and b are co-prime. 5 minus a upon b is equal to under root 3 because 5 and a by b both are rationals. So we are writing 5 minus a by b together and under root 3 separately. 5b minus a upon b is equal to under root 3 since a, b and 5 are integers, so that 5b minus a upon b is rational. Therefore root 3 is also rational, but this contradicts under root 3 is an irrational. Thus our assumption is wrong. So 5 minus root 3 is an irrational, hence proved. Third example is prove that 3 root 2 is irrational. We have 3 root 2 is equal to a upon b, where a and b are co-prime and b is not 0. Implies that 3b upon a is equal to under root 2. Here a, b and 3 are integers. Therefore root 2 is rational, but this contradicts under root 2 is irrational. Thus our supposition is wrong, hence 3 root 2 is irrational. Prove that 1 by root 7 is irrational. Let 1 by root 7 be rational, then 1 by root 7 is equal to 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7 after rationalizing the denominator. Root 7 by 7 is equal to a upon b, where a and b are co-prime such that b is not 0. Implies that b root 7 is equal to 7a, implies that under root 7 is equal to 7a upon b. It means we have to separate the rationals and irrationals. Here a, b and 7 are integers, so that 7a upon b is rational, but this contradicts under root 7 is an irrational. thus our assumption is wrong. Therefore 1 by root 7 is an irrational number, hence proved. I hope all of you have understood these all examples how to prove irrational numbers if given number is in minus or is in plus and is in into, and example number 4 it is in divide. Example number 4 it is in divide. So in all cases I have given example with solution. I hope all of you have understood. Okay students, if it helps you then please subscribe my channel, and HW for all of you exercise 1B question numbers 1 to 12. Thank you.